What's going on, guys? This is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and today in our spotlight we'll talk about the company VNTH, and we'll talk about 1400% run in only 3 days in a liquid stock. Now obviously not everyone could have made that 1400% run because that stock was a stop sign stock on September 27th and only limited amount of brokers could have traded that stock. So what happened here? September 27th, a day before the deadline, that got this huge amount of volume, 300 million volume in one day with such high risk, and the reason for that is the following: a Form C was filed from the company. Now just like DRNG, they filed this form to surpass the OTC markets requirements and delivered this file straight to the SEC. Now we've seen this with DRNG, that they got the pink current stamp in a few days, but unlike DRNG, this company got the pink current sign intraday. And if we go to the chart and go to the 5-minute candles, we can see that on September 27th, there was a time where there was a huge amount of volume right here on 1:30 p.m. Huge amount of volume came in. That's probably the time that they got the tire change to pink current, and everyone was sure that this stock won't get delisted because it is now pink current. Now if that stock is pink current intraday, that means that the day after multiple brokers could trade that stock. Therefore we see much more volume the day after with 700 million volume. Now the catalyst itself, we can find that on their Twitter page. So one day after they got the tire change to pink current information, VNTH tweeted the following: that the upcoming developments are introduction by CEO David Kittle, shareholder letter with vision strategy, website, crypto coin, and merger or partnerships with top gaming sites. So this is a very good tweet talking about a merger, about a crypto, very hot sectors in the OTC. And one day later, they tweeted that the conversions or dilutions have been temporarily halted because we finally succeeded in changing transfer agent, initiated the change of TA since the first day we closed acquisition. We have also engaged the lawyers to work on cutting the authorized shares from 100 billion down to 4 billion. So this is a 96% AS reduction, which is absolutely huge. And on top of all of that, they halted the dilution, so there will be no more dilution as we speak. Overall, very good news. Now that Twitter account was confirmed by Alpha Ridge. This is not a fake account. This is the true account of VNTH. And yes, they do have a CEO which is only 18 years old, which is kind of nice to see. But these two tweets got the stock price to go massively up, all the way up to 0058, the high of the day. And even if you didn't enter on September 27th when the tire change was made or when the Form C was filed, you still could have entered the day after and get 175% gains on your initial investment in 2 days, which is very good. That's it about VNTH. I'm sure we'll talk about it in the future once again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification button because it helps the channel a ton. As always, join our Discord community to see the alerts that we gave on VNTH when the first Form C was filed, and even the day after. We made really nice gains on this stock. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.